Hi, I'm Dave Anderson. I'm the CEO of Petdirect. So Petdirect core mission is to make life easier for pets and pet parents. And we provide a range of services and goods to ensure that we can make pets and their parents have all the right things to have a long and nutritious life. We started on the birth of kind of COVID. We were offering online products through that period. And there was the birth of our kind of core proposition, which was a great range, great prices, and a great service. And just recently, we've entered physical retail and have one store in Takapuna and plan to roll out further. So we had challenges with some of the transactional processing with existing systems. Yeah, we're two core systems, Xero for financial management and then Sin7 for supply chain inventory. The main limitation was that our current systems weren't scalable for what our future held. We were going into further growth in an omni-channel operation, so we needed a new system.
At a high level, we have our own e-commerce platform, point of sale, and our warehouse management system all integrating to NetSuite through Celigo. Our previous system had rate limit issues. We would often have transactions that would go missing and it wouldn't integrate seamlessly with the point of sale software that we wanted to use. And also from a reporting point of view, we couldn't report per location, so we wouldn't have a P&L for the e-commerce site versus the retail locations. NetSuite's massively improved our supply chain processes. It's allowed us to use EDI to integrate directly with suppliers, which removes a lot of room for human error and streamlines processes, as well as allow us to integrate with NetStock, which gives us AI-driven demand planning.
The reason we selected Annexa as our partner was for two reasons. One, we got referral from another person who used them for a similar system. And two, when we researched the market and discussed the reputation of Annexa, it came across brilliantly. I love the fact that they're problem solvers as well. They were very flexible in their approach and they really integrated really well with our team. What we particularly liked was we could deal developer on developer, so we can cut through some of the project management and get to the heart of the problem very quickly and solve things.
Working with the Annexa team was great for us. What we really appreciated was that with Annexa, instead of having to design everything up front and go through everything in a waterfall-based approach, we could work on problems together. We couldn't really have grown without it.
We're going to roll out another 15 to 20 stores and hopefully become the #1 pet retailer in New Zealand.